Tell me about present simple tense before my test.
Okay, no problem. When does it start?
In 3 minutes.
3 minutes? We better get started now then. When do we use present simple tense? Well, there's 3 times that I want you to know. First, something that is a habit or routine, something that we do every day, every time, a repeated action. For example, I eat rice every day. Number 2, something that is always true. For example, the moon goes around the earth. And number 3, a more or less permanent situation, it's not temporary. For example, I live in Thailand. Is there anything else you need to know? Well, yes, something very important. When the subject, the person you are talking about, is he or she or it, the verb always finishes with an S. If the original verb finishes with the letter Y after a consonant, then you need to change the Y to an I and then add ES. She studies at university. And also any original verbs that end with SS or with X or with SH or CH or Z or Z, then you don't just add S, you have to add ES to the end when you are speaking about he or she or it. Now you also need to know how to make a negative using present simple tense. It's quite easy because you just need to put do not in front of the original verb. But again, you need to remember that he, she or it in the present simple tense is always different. We need a verb with that S at the end, and in this case we need to say does not. So notice that the original verb in the negative form, we don't need the S at the end of it because we put the S at the end of does. So how about asking questions? Well, the same idea. It's quite easy really if you can remember to put do or does at the beginning of the sentence. Do you take a shower every day?
Time's up!
Time's up already? Well, there are some other videos that you can watch of mine that tell you more details, and look out for the other parts of this series where in 3 minutes I tell you what you need to know about all 12 tenses of English. But for today everyone, thank you for watching and bye bye.